Hey guys, this is Simba. Welcome back to another episode of the Lions Den Crypto Digest. Now, to kick it off, the US-China tariff de-escalation rumors boost the crypto market. So Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent's comments on easing US-China tariffs sparked a market rally, which was phenomenal. Yesterday, we saw Bitcoin touch all the way to 94,000, and the whole crypto market as a whole was really, really green, with some going 10, 20, 30, 50, 100%, right, in the green for some of these alts and some of these tokens. Now, this is lifting both Bitcoin and traditional stocks. While traditional markets deflated without an official White House denial, Bitcoin still held above that 91K price point, which is a very, very important support level. Now, this pushed the crypto market cap towards a $2.96 trillion market cap, which is humongous, right? And it's growing. It's definitely an uptrend, and all these things that are going on, they're going to be momentarily, right? They're only going to be here for a while, but overall, in the long run, this is phenomenal. Now, this resilience hints at Bitcoin's potential as a safe haven asset amid economic uncertainty. More and more people are starting to see Bitcoin as that digital gold, right? Just as people see gold as a safe haven, people are starting to see Bitcoin as that safe haven equivalent to gold, except it's digital gold, right? Especially for the younger generation. The baby boomers are still on that gold, that physical gold, but the younger, the millennials, the Gen Z, they really see Bitcoin as that safe haven and that gold in this modern digital world. Now, some insights. Bitcoin stability during this traditional finance volatility could draw investors looking for a hedge against uncertainty, right? Expect more market swings as tariff rumors evolve. Now, keep your eyes peeled for official updates. This is some critical times with this trade war that's going on. So expect some tweets from Trump, right? It's going to be a wild ride this next couple of weeks. Now, this might signal Bitcoin decoupling from stocks, offering a diversification edge for portfolios. It's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. But in the long term, we're going to do phenomenal. Now, some good news for everybody here. Paul Atkins has been appointed as the Security and Exchange Commission chairman, which is bringing a new era to the crypto industry, specifically in the US of A. Now, Paul Atkins is the new SEC chairman, confirmed by a 52-44 Senate vote, and this is replacing Gary Gensler, which we were not a big fan of, right? He was just not pro crypto for the most part. So this is really good to see this new chairman come in, and he is definitely pro crypto. Now, with crypto regulations as a top priority, Atkins aims to position the U.S. as an investment leader in this new era, this new financial system, which is phenomenal. This is what the Trump's administration really wanted. They are pro-crypto, and they want to expedite regulations and really make the United States the leader in this new industry. Now, Atkins' leadership could fast-track ETF approvals and usher in friendlier policies, sparking optimism across the $2.8 trillion market, which is the crypto industry. Now, some insights around this. A pro-crypto SEC could greenlight pending ETFs, really expanding market opportunities. I believe there's about 73 current ETFs that have been submitted and just waiting for approval, right? This has been sitting on Gary Gensler's desk, and he has not been doing very much, right? So I hope Atkins can really start doing something with these ETFs and really bring some opportunities to the marketplace, right? To the crypto industry. Now, expect a regulatory shift favoring innovation. This is really great news for altcoins and DeFi projects. And this is actually a very good time to get into these projects. Do your research. Look at some of the some of the best projects in here. There's a lot of cool teams doing phenomenal things in the blockchain and crypto space, right? Really bringing utility to the space. These are the long-term companies, future companies. Believe it or not, the crypto space, all these projects are future Fortune 500 companies, right? Not all of them will make it, but a lot of them will be considered that in the long term. Now, Atkins' stance might reduce legal friction for crypto firms, fueling growth and confidence in the space. This is bullish. This is extremely bullish, and everybody should be really positioning themselves, getting ready, because you don't want to be there before this happens. Boy, now Bitcoin surges to the 5th largest global asset, right? Bitcoin has clinched the title of the 5th largest global asset, overtaking Google with a $1.86 trillion market cap, which is absolutely phenomenal. Yesterday was amazing. The crypto bros were rejoicing. Everybody has so much green in their portfolio, especially after a long time of just a downtrend. So this was beautiful to see. Now, this was fueled by the easing US-China trade tensions and tech rally. Now, Bitcoin smashed past the $94,000 price point. Beautiful, breaking key resistance levels and outpacing the NASDAQ itself. This milestone really underscores crypto's rising dominance. We are seeing this in real time. The crypto market is just dominating right now. It's dominating, and it's going to continue. Right now, some insights on this. Beating Google's market cap could lure institutional players into the crypto space, and we're starting to see this. We're starting to see institutions really pushing to jump into the crypto space, right? And this is really a bullish sign of what's to come. Now, this sustained trade optimism might fuel more gains. Watch for macroeconomic catalysts, which there's many to come, by the way. As you've seen, Atkins coming in, which is the SEC chair who is pro-crypto, right? And some of these trade tensions are starting to ease. There's really major upside that's coming in the next couple of weeks and months. This is great. This is phenomenal. Now, the technical breakout that happened this past week and yesterday really screams bullish momentum. If this was a time to get in, this is the time. A lot of altcoins are at a really great price, and some of them have literally bottomed, right? So this presents a huge upside, especially knowing what's coming. All the stars are lining up for the crypto industry. Now, traders might find long positions tempting, and I am on that side as well. A lot of my positions, my portfolio, are very long, right? But yes, as always, do your research. And if you are already positioned, these next couple of weeks, months are going to be phenomenal. Stay bullish, my friends. Trump Media and Crypto.com to launch Made in America crypto ETFs. Now, Trump Media, Crypto.com, and Yorkville America Digital have inked a deal to launch Made in America crypto ETFs in 2025, not 2026, 2027, not 2028, 2025. Now, these funds will blend digital assets like Bitcoin and other altcoins like Ethereum, right, Avalanche, Dogecoin, and all those altcoins with securities leveraging Crypto.com's tech and custody. Now, this is a really bold move. It's a bold move to merge crypto with traditional finance under a patriotic banner. Now, you guys already know Trump's stance, America first. And he's really adamant about making America, right, the leader in blockchain innovation. So this is really good to see him really take action towards that direction. He's a man of his word. You might say whatever you want about Trump, but he is a man of his word, right? And he's very active on what he says. Now, some insights on this. These ETFs could mainstream crypto by offering traditional investors with a familiar entry point. The Made in America angle might tap into the nationalist hype, really driving that demand. Again, Trump, America first, right? He really wants to see America lead in the crypto space, and also he wants to support anything that is made in the USA, right? Home over here. So this is great. This is great to see. Now, Crypto.com's involvement boost legitimacy, right? As they're a great company, they've been in this space for quite some time. So this is great to see this partnership happen. Now, what to expect? Expect wider adoption if regulatory hurdles clear. With the new sector coming in, who's pro crypto, I think is going to fast track a lot of these ETFs and all these pro crypto policies. This is as bullish as it can get. All the stars are aligning. Now, this is the perfect time to really position yourselves into this industry, because it could not get any better. It could not get any better, and the upside is humongous. Now, with that said, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed this these insights, please give a like and a follow. With that said, much love. Take care. Bye-bye.